Governor announcing the closure of all non-essential businesses in the state and is asking everyone to stay in their homes as much as possible. This comes as efforts to research the virus here in Massachusetts are being stepped up. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us now live in Springfield with more. Audrey?
All non-essential businesses will be closed for 2 weeks starting tomorrow at noon. But healthcare workers who are deemed essential are continuing to work across the state to make sure cases of coronavirus are tested, tracked, reported accurately, and most importantly, researched.
We need to ensure that our commercial labs also report not just the positives, which they're required to, but also the total number of people that they're testing so that we have a good sense in Massachusetts, right, how many people are tested as well as how many are positives.
Testing, tracing, and isolation is the state's plan for understanding and stopping coronavirus. Governor Charlie Baker announcing that all non-essential businesses, excluding those listed here, must close Tuesday at noon. The Secretary of Health and Human Services asking for help from healthcare students, many of whom had their in-person classes canceled.
There was a call with the deans of the schools of public health in Massachusetts to see if we can use their they're not in school, use their students and others that are engaged with the public health community to help us do tracing.
Closer to home, Western Mass News spoke over video chat to Dr. Peter Friedman. He is the Chief Research Officer at Bay State Health, although he says a lot of research into different healthcare challenges has been slowed by social distancing guidelines.
Many studies require written consent, and you can't get written consent virtually.
Meanwhile, in the fight against COVID-19, Friedman says Bay State is working steadily on researching the virus and how it affects local patients.
What kinds of outcomes they will have as a result of the virus, but also clinical trials of promising medications. We also have our research folks engaged in trying to get compassionate use of some of these agents.
Friedman says one of the biggest questions he gets as a researcher is on the length of time it will take to develop a safe and effective vaccine.
If we get a vaccine in a year and a half, that would probably be a record. It would be incredibly fast.
And per the governor's guidelines announced today, Dr. Friedman reiterated the importance of social distancing and these social distancing rules. He says that everybody should also be washing their hands no matter what. And if the 20 seconds or singing happy birthday twice benchmark isn't working for you or you're not able to visualize it, he says everybody should be washing their hands as though they just cut and handled fresh jalapeno peppers and now have to change their contact lenses. So obviously you're not going to give just a cursory rinse there, but you're actually going to wash and scrub. So keep that in mind more than anything else. Reporting live here in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.